Welcome back. Convener of GBA Sabina Martins has asked the government to rectify Regional Plan 2021 for 153 panchayats and denotification and rectification to 13 panchayats in parts as per the demand of the people. GBA has expressed worries on the plan that would be the base plan after denotification of RP 2021. GBA has once again cleared that they are against scrapping of RP 2021.
So as far as those panchayats which have asked for rectification, we are of the opinion that very clear guidelines should be laid out as to how this rectification process is going to carry on. And those villages who have asked for scrapping of the plan, maybe those areas can be denotified in parts, and the process for a fresh plan can be started. त्याच क्षणान ताका सांगचे पडटले वो प्लॅन आता डिनोटिफाय केला आणि वो लागू जातलो अशें सांगपाक जाय.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan held its first meeting after government froze the Regional Plan 2021. They are of the opinion that clear guidelines should be laid down on rectification of RP 2021.
Now when you are making a new plan, the new plan again requires procedures to be in place and law to be in place, and so therefore the Town and Country Planning Act has to be modified or changed. A new act has to be in place where the 73rd and the 74th amendment has to be incorporated in it, and all the TCP acts have to be in. All the planning laws have to be on the same plane, having people's participation. If proposals and permissions are already, applications are already there with the department, there is something called the deemed clause, wherein if permissions are not given in the stipulated time frame, like how it happened in DLF, then it is presumed that the permissions are granted. So whatever decision the government has to take, they have to take quickly, otherwise there is a fear of people getting deemed permission.
A reporter in Panchi Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Prudent Pednekar. Alina Saldanha, who is the successor of late Matani Saldanha, has commenced the pending works in Kuttadi constituency. On Friday, Alina inaugurated 7 new works for the constituency. The PWD works of 65 lakh rupees are undertaken. Alina Saldanha inaugurated road repair and maintenance works in Kuttadi constituency. 7 such projects have been started on Friday. 7 works taken up on priority are fixing crash barrier at Pale Junction, Kuttadi, repair of drainage at Madant, Kuttadi, repair of road near Konkan Railway Bridge, Kansauli, repair of walk from Pazentar Chaudi, Kuttadi, drain cum access pathway near Manir Panchayat, Kuttadi, repair of road at Rui de Maria, Sankwal.
रोकडे स्टार्ट केलां काम करपाक, पूण सद्याक काम चालू आहा आनी काम सगळें जातलें, पूण मातानी सर आमगेलो सद्या ना जालो. पूण तेच्या हाडल्यान तेजी बायल ही सगळीं काम करून घेता म्हण आमकां विश्वास आसा, गॅरंटी आहा. आनी तेजे बायले बराबरी काम करून घेवपाक, सरकाराकूच्यान मागणी करपाक आमी सगळे लोक बराबर आहाय ती बायले बराबर. आनी सगळीं कामां मातानी सरान आश्वासन दिलें तें पुरी जाता म्हण आमकां खात्रेन गॅरंटी आहा.
Dr. Marconi also said that the work is expected to be completed within 4 months.
In the near future, this major road linking to Kansauli village from Verna will be taken out for hot mixing with accompanying pavements, that is boulevards on either side, because most of the people from Verna and Kansauli frequent this road for the evening walks and jogging.
Our reporter in Kuttadi, Surendra Matkaikar. Newly appointed Commissioner of CCP Sanjeev Rodriguez has his task cut out. At the moment, he plans to focus on pending developmental plans for Panchi, like completion of 3rd phase of market and waste management. He also says recovery of areas from the market shops needs to be done on priority basis. Sanjeev says limiting traffic into the city, creating more parking spaces and plazas will ease out traffic congestion in the capital city. Sanjeev Rodriguez is back in the saddle as CCP Commissioner. He has his plans in place to tackle garbage and recovery of pending shop rent areas. As a beginning, the organic waste compactors will be raised from 2 to 8.
We have a lot of hotel waste which comes, which is huge in quantity and needs place for composting. That is one problem. Secondly, we need more place to sort out and bale dry waste. These issues can be sorted out if more greater degree of segregation is achieved.
He also spoke about the traffic congestion. Commissioner will meet the corporators for planning a need-based utilization of government grants allocated for CCP.
Parking space is finite here, you cannot expand. But definitely we have to work on ways on one, limiting huge amount of traffic coming into Panjim. In the current budget, bus rapid system for Panjim has been announced. So maybe we'll work towards it so that better movement of traffic is there.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.